David Licauco update, yung gwapo pa ni David during media conference ng Never Say Die sa February 2 na yan. At kasama niya si Gillian Ward at iba pang
Hi
cast.
David Brooks, first of all, I just want to say thank you, salamat sa support, I appreciate all of you. And sana manood kayo ng Never Say Die, huwag kayong magsawang sumuporta sa akin. Hi Romulos, David Licauco, I hope to see you soon. Talagang mas natin ginagawa man ka pala.
Ayun, yan na. Ayun, pagdating nila David at Gillian Ward, nasakay ng bus. Ayun, pagdating nila sa media conference ng Never Say Die, February 2 na, papalabas. Excited na yung mga fans nila mapanood ng Never Say Die. Nagpapasok ng GMA Network, yun o. May red carpet pa. Sila David at Gillian Ward, yun o. Kasama rin ka sila Rahil, saka si Kim Jisoo. Ayan na sila. Excited na yung mga press ng mga interview. Ang cast ng Never Say Die. Siyempre, bida siyempre. Sila David Licauco at Gillian Ward.
Mga kapuso, round of applause for the stellar cast and directors of Never Say Die. So I'm just, for our friends from the media, please don't forget to use our hashtag today. Hashtag Never Say Die MediaCon.
Ayan ang cast ng Never Say Die. Grabe mga bigatin.
Directors of Never Say Die. Thank you so much. Again, we'll have another round of photo op later. For now, ito na po. Panoorin muna natin ang mga kaabang-abang na eksenas.
Actually,
Naprood ko yung interview.
Okay.
This is small screen. But siguro reaction ko siyempre kayo na walang sounds. Kapag ginagawa mo kung siya, hindi mo nakita kung gaano kalaki yung ginagawa mo. Siyempre scene eh, di ba? But actually now, the first time siya makita, alam ko na kapag nalitik-tilik na. So, ito rin hirapan namin. So, very happy na finally mag-release na siya. Kasi dapat November na ito. Diba? So, yeah, really happy.
Ito na. Eh, ano ba rin yung pakiram? Personal assistant ni Ado na magaling kuminagis ng tao. Let's give it up for Sparkle Star, Kim Ganayon! The hardest thing he had to unlearn when doing the show.
Hardest thing I had to unlearn, siguro yung, I think I had this mannerism while acting na lagi ako nakaganyan. Tapos sinasabihan ako ni Miss Evelyn na lagi na daw ako nakaganon. Nakabuko yung bunganga. Kasi I feel like maybe in real life I'm like that, diba? So I learned that, but hindi naman gano'n ka mabilis mag-break ang habits ng isang tao. But hopefully I'm getting there. Hopefully, yeah. And that's it.
Nice answer daw. Feeling mo ba, moving forward, galis mo na yan, yun na yung magiging, hindi na nakanganga.
Hindi ko tindihan mo ang another to.
Ayan. So, hanggang na pagkatoong buhay.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow.
Talaga.
Okay ba naman?
Hindi na to acting, ha?
Okay.
Agree naman sila. David, thank you. Okay.
Salamat.
Susunod naman, photo.
Ayan,
At siyempre naman,
David,
experience yung
after na-interview sa kanya.
Tirada Express Bus. It's right outside the studios. So if you want to see it in person,
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is Richard, the Action Live. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.